Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming to this video today. So I'm gonna do a delicious keto Reese's peanut butter cup. So it's always nice to have a healthy keto treat on hand if you ever have those sweet cravings, but we wanna keep it nice and healthy and sugar-free. So I'm gonna make this batch of Reese's peanut butter cups so easy, and they'll be ready to go if I get that sweet craving. So I have sugar-free chocolate chips. They're just by Hershey's. You can get them at most grocery stores. I'm gonna add some coconut oil into the chocolate chips. When I melt them, it'll make the chocolate nice and smooth and perfect for these peanut butter cups. And then I'm actually not gonna use peanut butter, I'm gonna use almond butter. So I love this brand, it's Justin's almond butter. I get it at my Walmart, but I'm sure you can get it a lot of other places as well. But it's really yummy, great flavor. You can use any kind of peanut butter you would like, but I'm gonna use this for today. So I will get all this going. I will put the recipe in the description box for this. Super simple, but I will list that in there if you wanna check that out if you wanna make these. So I will get them going.
All right, so I have my sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm gonna use about 3/4 of a cup, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I'm going to microwave this to soften the chocolate. And I'm gonna do it in increments of 30 seconds, then I'll take it out and stir it. But that'll make this chocolate all nice and creamy and nice and liquidy, and it'll be ready for our peanut butter cups. All right, so the chocolate is nice and melted, and I am going to pour a little layer on the bottom of each little cupcake liner. These are for mini cupcake pan or muffin pan. So I'm gonna put a thin layer on the bottom of each one, and then once that's done, I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. So I will fill these up and then put them in the freezer to let them set for 10 minutes. All right, so they have hardened up in the freezer, nice and hard, nice little layer on the bottom. So now I have my almond butter. You can use almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter, whichever you'd like, but I really love this almond butter. So I'm gonna take about half a cup, and then I'm gonna microwave it for about 30 seconds to get it nice and soft. So now that it's soft, I'm gonna put a little spoonful into each little cup. And so I will do that, and then I'm gonna let this freeze again in my freezer for another 5 to 10 minutes to let this layer harden on top of the chocolate before I put the next layer of sugar-free chocolate on. All right, so the almond butter is nice and hard. I'm gonna add in my last layer of melted sugar-free chocolate chips, and then I will freeze once again for 5 to 10 minutes, and these homemade keto-friendly peanut butter cups will be ready to go. They are so delicious. Can't wait to have these ready for the week.
All right, so my homemade Reese's peanut butter cups are all done. So I have each layer chocolate, and then almond butter I used, and then another layer of sugar-free chocolate. So these are so great, a nice treat if you have a little sweet tooth. So I'm going to store these in the freezer in an airtight container, and they are so great. So they're so good, so easy to make and healthy. Like I said, I will put the instructions in the description box if you want to make these, but it's super simple. So thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day. I hope to see you again soon. If you are new, click subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification each time I post a new video. I hope you have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.